So one of the problems with mounting an air cleaner on a GM TBI like this is there's no central mounting stud. And most air cleaners, like this one, aftermarket air cleaners, have a central stud. So how do you do it? What you need is this. Basically, it's an offset mounting stud. This one is by Spectre Performance. Part number is 4215. So let's install it and see how it works. The package, the offset mounting stud. This is to extend it if you need to extend it. And this is threaded in there to work with that and these kind of lock nut thingies to extend it, and your typical wing nut and useless instructions. Notice this isn't exactly square. This kind of goes off at an angle, so I'm going to put that in the vise and kind of see if I can bend it straight. So let's put it together. So I do need quite a bit of extra length on here. I just checked. I also found out that this part has to go down onto the TBI unit, and this sticks through the top of the air cleaner because you can't screw it in if you try and put it in this way. So I do need extra length. I don't have the room here to put it here. I'll show you that in a minute. So I'm going to extend using one of these jam nuts, little sleeve. I'm going to put another jam nut on here. Put it in here. That should give me the distance I need to fit this. So the hole it goes into is right here, which is just off center. So I'm just going to wind that in. As you can see, that is designed specifically to go that way. I'll wind it in a bit more. We'll put this cover on. Fits in there. Center that. Hard to do with this one hand, but here we go. There we go. All I need is the wing nut. And voila. Regular air cleaner on a GM TBI. Now this one's sticking up kind of high. Might be concerned with hood clearance in some cars, but in this car obviously it's not going to be. I don't know if I'm going to keep this air cleaner, but it matches the valve covers. So anyway, thanks for watching.